Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
I mean, being in IIM, obviously that's brand value. इसीलिए people are crazy for the tag. Always there. And I think it is good and bad both, because good in the way कि it will push you to do even better. कर सकते हैं more. Indians कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Indians कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
MBA was not that straight. I wanted to probably talk so that a lot of people who give up in between, they kind of get that courage. बहुत emotional pressure और बहुत दुख लगता है जब आप बहुत पढ़ लेते हो, बहुत मेहनत कर लेते हो, and it does not happen.
Right. Hi everyone. Hi Anshi. Welcome on board. Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I am doing excellent. Anshi, quick things. First things first. Super congratulations for joining IIM Lucknow Noida campus. And today, welcome to the real humans of B School.
Thank you so much.
Great. First things first, Anshi, यार, how's life at an IIM? ऐसा है कि मतलब एक बार IIM crack हो गया, उसके बाद life is sorted, बस भैया सब कुछ silver platter में मिलता है आपको. How's the life?
ऐसा नहीं है. It's always a struggle. I mean, being in IIM, obviously that's brand value. इसीलिए people are crazy for the tag. But inside it's not as easy as it sounds. In fact, it's not easy in any B school. But IIMs के अंदर struggle ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है because everybody is good at something. That's why they're there. So it becomes a rat race where everybody is trying to outperform one another. So how are you different from other people? अभी भी जैसे for example lockdown है, तो I'm pretty sure most of the people in my class will be like कि कैसे अपने आप को different और करें, कौन से courses और join कर लें, कौन सी internship extra कर लें. So that struggle is always there. And I think it is good and bad both, because good in the way कि it will push you to do even better. Like वहाँ IIM में lazy होने का time नहीं होगा, because you're always competing with the best.
Right.
And obviously because you're putting so much of money, आप mostly सब लोग personal loans और अपने study loan लेके आते हैं, तो वो भी डर रहता है. तो placement का बहुत, what specifically we have seen in our batches के बहुत placement का tension रहता है throughout.
चाहे वो IIM अहमदाबाद है, चाहे SPJ बॉम्बे है, घर घर की कहानी होगा, हो भी जाता है एंड में. ऐसा नहीं है कि
then it's always scary because you're competing with the best, right? So it's like कब हमारा होगा is the important question.
That's again. When did you decide? You got 47 months of experience, 48. How much work did you got?
In college also I always wanted to do an MBA, but yes, बीच में हमेशा मेरे को struggle होता था because मैंने stats किया हुआ undergrad, so masters उसमें कर लूँ वो better है. Also I remember my dad, because मैं बहुत introvert थी बचपन में, तो he was always like कि MBA introverts का नहीं, you won't be able to do it or you won't be able to survive. So there are certain things that were put into my brain initially. So मेरे को हमेशा डर लगता था whether वहाँ बोलना पड़ता है, बहुत वो करना पड़ता है, कैसे होगा. So मेरे लिए choose करना थोड़ा struggle था. So I thought why not work in between and probably I'll probably prepare for exams and देख लूँगी जैसा भी होगा. मैंने in fact stats किया है, but मैंने job उस profile में नहीं ली. I was more into business development. तो वो भी out of my league कोई चीज मैं कर रही थी. I saw कि I could do it, so I probably thought कि MBA is a good option post that.
Great.
बीच
स्टैट्स पढ़ा, स्टैट्स के बाद बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट पढ़ा, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट से अभी तो सस्टेनेबिलिटी स्टफ पढ़ रही है. वाओ, हाउ कूल इज दैट. मतलब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं जिंदगी में, है ना. Good. That's nice. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I think I lost it. Now it's good.
Yeah, I was saying कुछ भी कर सकते हैं यार जिंदगी में. मतलब you've been moving around.
I
and
think Indians कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. More. Indians कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Indians कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. That's. I think Indians की जो पहले बचपन वाले डिसीजन है मम्मी पापा बनाते हैं.
I think मैं उसकी शिकार मैं खुद हूँ. So I can't.
उसके शिकार है.
It's 8 o'clock.
Sorry, that's my watch. सभी उसके शिकार हैं भाई. मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, तो thanks to my mom, thanks to my, they are very proud कि we are an engineer from NIT or an IIT. अब हमें पता है कि क्या है हम. But that's a part of the different story. Great. So while working, where were you working before?
I have changed companies. First, I was working for almost 2 years with Ernst & Young. बीच में मैंने एक startup join किया था. And then In fact, बिफोर जस्ट जब मेरा कैट का रिजल्ट आया नहीं था उस टाइम, तब मैंने एक ग्रैंड थॉर्नटन में अप्लाई किया था. सो आई हैड worked there for around 6 months, and that's when I switched and chose to be doing an MBA.
Wow. Wow. So you kept on jumping companies as well. तू टिकती नहीं कहीं पे, ये तो मैंने देख लिया बेटा. एक हो गया, चलो next. You got so much diverse portfolio in your background. Okay. So far, so good, yaar. Any parting thoughts to all these people who are listening to you? You have been a girl who decides what she wants and then she runs against it, whether it was ENY, stats background, then Grand Thornton, and then you keep on moving companies in sustainability, IIM Lucknow. You've been killing it. Any parting thoughts for all the people who are stuck in their jobs? They got 40 months of experience. इनको लग रहा है कि भैया अब कहाँ MBA करेंगे, करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए? Any parting thoughts to all these people?
Actually, the reason why I decided that I'll do an interview or a conversation with you was this only that my journey to taking up MBA was not that straight. I wanted to probably talk so that a lot of people who give up in between, they kind of get that courage to do something that they always wanted. I have given CAT 1 year before too. I had joined a coaching institute. I gave, I think, बहुत मैंने mocks दिए, पूरे mocks दिए. I think 100-200 मैंने sectional mocks दिए. I was crazy, जैसे सब लोग करते हैं crazy. I got a decent percentile, but I did not get any call from any of the IIMs. And then at that point in time, I had an option कि मैं कोई एक tier 2 MBA college लूँ. Most of my friends told me not to, give one more chance. But I was very skeptical. And then beach mein, because of the personal problems that I was having, my mother also wasn't keeping well. I myself was not keeping well. I did not have the self-confidence to give CAT again because it बहुत emotional pressure और बहुत दुख लगता है जब आप बहुत पढ़ लेते हो, बहुत मेहनत कर लेते हो, and it does not happen. And I just could not understand why अच्छा percentile आने के बाद भी I did not get any calls. And I realized that one of my sections, DILR, बहुत कम था. So उस चक्कर में मेरे को कॉल नहीं आया. So but still I had given up. I said मैं GMAT देके I'll probably go out. That's the easier way of pursuing an MBA. India में तो नहीं होगा. And my mom pushed me, and that year, without even giving a single mock, I gave CAT. And when the results came, I got calls from all the IIMs except ABC because I didn't have that great a percentile. So, but to still get any calls from any of the IIMs was a very big thing. So right now I feel that you should never give up, and CAT clear करने का एक major thing is to keep calm and keep cool. हम लोग अपने ऊपर इतना pressure डाल लेते हैं, and जिस time पे मैंने CAT दिया उस time मेरी कोई mental हालत भी नहीं थी कि I could give an exam or write any exam. Family problems, इतना problem चल रहा था life में that I had not even thought. I was to a point where I was not giving 100% at my job. तो ना job proper है, ना MBA का decision proper है, आपको आगे नहीं पता क्या करना है, इतना confusion, इतना moral low पे थी मैं उस time. But then it all happened, and today I can proudly look back and say whatever happened was for good.
This is so amazing, yaar. Now you're a role model, Anshi, for many people who are listening to you, and people who are stuck their job. I want them to listen to you, and you're an inspiration for them. Thank you so much for your time, Anshi. You're awesome. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
For sure. Great. And